Steps will help you establish a strong credit history, which can open doors to better financial opportunities, such as loans and credit cards with lower interest rates. Credit utilization is one of the most important factors that influence your credit score. It refers to the ratio of your current credit card balances to your total available credit limit. A high credit utilization rate can signal to lenders that you might be over-relying on credit, which could negatively impact your credit score. Ideally, you should aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. For example, if your credit card has a limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. This shows lenders that you can manage your credit responsibly without relying too heavily on it. To maintain a healthy credit score, it's essential to manage your credit utilization effectively. One